GMC just announced an all-new V8 engine for the 2027 Sierra 1500, a sixth-generation small block so far ahead of anything currently sitting in a half-ton truck, it's genuinely hard to believe it's real. If you're one of the truck buyers who's watched the industry quietly strip out displacement, swap V8s for turbocharged 6s, and call it progress, GMC just built the truck that's been missing from your life. While Ford and Ram have been busy downsizing their way to efficiency, the 2027 Sierra is arriving with more cubic inches, more torque, and more raw capability than anything GM has put in a half-ton truck before, and it's not even close. Number 7. V8 Future. There's a story playing out across the truck industry right now. One by one, automakers are replacing big displacement engines with smaller, turbocharged alternatives. Ford leaned hard into the EcoBoost V6 years ago. Ram followed with its Hurricane Inline 6, and while both of those engines are genuinely capable, they've left a significant portion of truck buyers cold. That's the gap GMC is stepping into. General Motors is not abandoning the V8, it's reinventing it. A massive investment is already underway. GM has committed over $650 million to facilities in Michigan dedicated to the production of next-generation small-block V8 engines. These aren't evolutionary updates to an aging design. This is a ground-up rebuild, engineered to carry GM's truck lineup well into the next decade. The message couldn't be clearer. The V8 isn't going anywhere. It's going forward. For the 2027 Sierra 1500, that means an engine worth getting genuinely excited about, arriving at a moment when that kind of thing is increasingly rare in this segment. But a V8 comeback only means something if the engine itself is worth the wait, and the displacement figures already being discussed suggest it absolutely is. Number 6. Next generation small block. 5 generations of the small block V8 have powered GM trucks and sports cars since 1955. Those engines collectively crossed the 100 million unit production milestone 15 years ago. Now, a 6th generation small block is on its way. And based on what's already been revealed, it's going to be a meaningful step forward. The new engine has already made its public debut in the 2027 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. There, it displaces 6.7 liters, producing 535 horsepower and 520 pound-feet of torque. That's the high-performance LS6 variant built for a sports car. Truck spec versions are going to be tuned differently, more torque-focused, built for sustained load rather than peak output. Here's something that doesn't get talked about enough. There's a specific moment every truck owner knows. You're merging onto a busy highway with a loaded trailer behind you, traffic is moving fast, and you need power right now. With a turbocharged engine, there's a brief hesitation before the boost builds and the truck responds. It's not dramatic, but it's there. That's the kind of moment a naturally aspirated V8 simply handles differently. Early estimates put the truck output at around 450 horsepower and well over 500 pound-feet of torque, available low in the rev range without waiting for a turbo to spool. That would put it ahead of Ram's standard Hurricane 6 at 420 horsepower, and it would do it with instant, uninterrupted response every single time. Raw power figures are only part of what makes a truck worth buying, though, and what GMC is doing to the outside of the 2027 Sierra might be just as surprising as the engine numbers. Number 5. All-new design. The current Sierra is a capable-looking truck, but the 2027 generation is going to be a proper departure, not a light refresh, but a genuine rethink of how this truck presents itself. GM's full-size lineup is getting a completely new generation for 2027, with Sierra production confirmed at the Lake Orion, Michigan plant, a facility retooled specifically for this launch. That level of investment doesn't happen for a mild facelift. Expect a front-end design that creates a clearer visual separation between Sierra and its Silverado sibling. The two trucks share a platform, but GMC has been pushing harder each generation to make the Sierra feel more refined, more considered. The 2027 model is going to make that distinction more visible than any previous generation has managed. But if the exterior is making a statement, the new interior is where GMC is really drawing the line between this truck and everything else in the segment. Number 4. All-new interior. The current Sierra's cabin is functional, solid, but anyone who's spent time in a Ram 1500 or a well-equipped F-150 knows that solid isn't the right word for a truck pushing $65,000 or $70,000. There's a particular kind of disappointment that sets in when the cabin doesn't match what you paid. Plastic surfaces where you expected something better, a layout that feels like it was designed a decade ago. That gap between price and perceived quality is exactly what the 2027 Sierra's new interior is being built to close. The new cabin is being rebuilt from scratch with one clear objective: to produce an interior worthy of the GMC badge. Expect a more purposeful dashboard layout, higher grade materials across a wider range of trim levels, larger displays, and more logically arranged controls. For anyone who chooses Sierra for its upscale positioning, the 2027 model is going to make that decision much easier to justify. A premium cabin is a strong reason to buy, but wait until you hear what GMC is targeting for towing capacity, because that number changes the conversation entirely. Number 3. Improved towing capacity. Towing capacity signals what a truck is capable of at its limits, and for the 2027 Sierra, GM is targeting a maximum towing rating of 14,000 pounds. In real terms, a typical base boat with trailer sits between 4,000 and 6,000 pounds. A fully loaded enclosed car hauler can push 10,000 pounds. At 14,000 pounds, the 2027 Sierra would be operating at the very upper edge of what half-ton trucks can do, territory that previously required stepping up to a heavy-duty model. The new V8 is going to be central to hitting that target. High-displacement, naturally aspirated engines produce the kind of low-end torque that makes towing feel composed rather than strained. The 2027 Sierra is being engineered around exactly that sensation: controlled, capable, and completely unfazed regardless of what's on the hitch. The V8 is clearly the star, but it's just one of several powertrain options coming with the 2027 Sierra, and the full lineup is broader than most people are expecting. Number 2. Wide palette of options. Not every Sierra buyer is going to want the V8. GMC clearly understands that, because the 2027 lineup is being built around one of the broadest powertrain selections the brand has ever offered in a half-ton truck. The new small block V8 is the centerpiece, but the options go further. A turbocharged 4-cylinder is expected to carry over as the entry point. A diesel is going to continue serving long-haul buyers. And the biggest addition, an all-new plug-in hybrid, is expected to arrive with the 2027 Sierra, a genuine first for this truck. Think about what that means for a contractor driving 200 miles a day with no power access at job sites. A plug-in hybrid Sierra would allow short-loop electric driving, meaningful fuel savings, and still deliver a full-capability truck when the job demands it. That's the kind of problem a plug-in hybrid in a truck actually solves, and it's a buyer who previously had very few places to turn. Add diesel for long-haul users and a Turbo 4 for budget-conscious buyers, and the 2027 Sierra is covering ground no previous generation has come close to. A lineup this broad would normally come with a price tag to match, but what's being discussed for the 2027 Sierra might be the most surprising part yet. Number 1. Strong value. Truck prices have been climbing for years. A well-specified Sierra today can push well past $70,000, and a Denali Ultimate goes further still. That makes pricing around the 2027 model a genuine concern given the scope of changes coming. Early indications are encouraging. Despite everything that's changing, the price increase is not going to be significant. GMC is entering a market where Ford and Ram have worked hard to earn loyalty at multiple price points. There's no room to price yourself out of contention. The 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 is shaping up to be the most complete version of this truck ever produced. A 6th-generation V8 estimated at 450 horsepower and over 500 pound-feet of torque. A redesigned exterior that finally separates Sierra from Silverado. A rebuilt interior that matches the price tag. A towing target of 14,000 pounds. A powertrain lineup stretching from a Turbo 4 to an all-new plug-in hybrid. And none of it arriving with a dramatic price increase. In a market that has spent years asking buyers to accept less displacement and higher sticker prices, the 2027 Sierra is pushing back on nearly every front. And that makes it one of the most compelling trucks to watch as its launch gets closer. With all these upgrades in mind, it's clear that the GMC Sierra will once again be one of the most appealing options in the half-ton segment. However, rivals are shaping up as well, and the 2027 Toyota Tundra, which you can check out in our next video, is one of them. It's getting a mid-cycle refresh, an all-new off-road version, upgraded powertrain, and many other updates that will make it the best version of Tundra we've seen yet.